Dear students, hope you are doing great. In today's video, I want to solve for a equation that is related to indices. Here the problem is fifth root of 4 whose power is 4x plus 7 is equal to 11th root of 64 whose power is 2 times of x plus 7. Now we can write fifth root of 4 like 4 power 1/5 and whole power 4 times of x plus 7 is equal to here 64, that means 4 cube, and power 11th root, that means multiplied by 1 by 11, and whole power is 2x plus 7, and here power and power is created a multiplication. That's why you can write 4 power 4x plus 7 upon 5 is equal to, here see that the base 4 and 3 multiplied by 1, that means 3 by 11 multiplied by, here power and power multiplication, that means 3 by 11 multiplied by 2x plus 7 will create 2x plus 7. Here see that here base is 4 and here base is 4. As we know, a to the power m is equal a to the power n. Then we can write m is equal n. That's why we can write power 4, that means 4x plus 7 by 5 is equal to power 4 3 times of 2x plus 7 by 11. That's why you can write 4x plus 7 by 5 is equal to 3 times of 2x plus 7 by 11. If we have a cross multiplication of this equation, then we will get 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2x plus 7 is equal to 11 multiplied by 4x plus 7. Now we can write it 3 times of 5, that means 15 multiplied by 2x plus 7 is equal to 4 times of 11, that means 45x plus 7 times of 11, that means 77. Or we can write it 15 times of 2x, that means 30x plus 7 times of 15s, that means 5 times of 7, that means 35, and 7 multiplied by 1, that means 7 plus 3, that means 110 is equal to 105 is equal to 44x plus 77. Now here see that if you have a side change of 30x from left to right, then we have 44 times of x negative 30x. Here the left hand side 105, that means 105, and side change of 77, that means negative 77, and we can write it like, if you subtract 105, if you subtract 77 from 105, then you will have 28 is equal to, if you subtract 30x from 44x, then you will have 14x. That's why we can write it like x is equal to 28 by 14. That means we know 2 times of 14, that is equal to 28. That's why we can write it like x is equal to such. That's why we can write x is equal to 2. Thanks for watching the video.